friends, I'm Melody from melonycooks.com, and today I'll be cooking Trader Joe's frozen breaded mozzarella sticks in the air fryer. So no need to defrost, air fryer cooks them straight from frozen. It's perfect for the job of making crispy breading on the outside and melted gooey cheese on the inside. So let's open the package of frozen mozzarella sticks and take out the air fryer basket and put them in the air fryer in a single layer. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 4 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Now let me just show you something. See how there's a couple of mozzarella sticks where you could see they're almost bursting? There was a little bit of cheese that oozed out of it, so that's the sign that they're ready. So when I set it for 4 minutes, that's the minimum time you need to make them. If you touch one and let's say it's not soft, it just kind of feels like it's not cooked. See how it springs to touch? So I know they're ready, they're gooey, and some of it even started to leak out. So that's the time you need to catch. If you don't think they're ready, just put them back in the air fryer for 1 more minute at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So you have to cook it the 1 minute at a time because those things, they go so quickly from frozen to exploded. And we're trying to avoid this whole exploding of mozzarella sticks. So start with 4 minutes, then add, if needed, an additional 1 minute at a time and keep a very close eye on them because you just want them cooked just right. So let's take them out of the air fryer. For me, 4 minutes was perfect in my air fryer. And that was the whole package of mozzarella sticks. If you had less, like let's say half a package or quarter package, they cook even quicker. So you could start with 3 minutes and then start checking them just to prevent all the cheese from leaking out of them. Perfect. They look amazing. Look at them. They're so nicely browned and perfectly cooked with a crispy brown breading on the outside and cheese that's so hot, delicious, and melted on the inside. Let's try it. So let me just show you. Look at that gooey cheese. So stretchy, so melted. Wow, amazing. Let's try it. So good. The breading is so crunchy. As I bite into it and I can hear the crunch and you already see how melted is the cheese. This is so delicious. It's better than restaurant. If you want amazing mozzarella sticks, make them in the air fryer. This is perfect. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melonycooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melody Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!